In this video, we're going to learn if a division sentence is true. So if we have a problem like this that says, is the number sentence true or false? And we have 2 divided by 2 equals 9 divided by 3. We need to figure out if both sides are equal. So a number sentence is true if both sides are equal. So when we figure out what this equals, will it be the same as what this equals? So let's do that. So on the left, we have 2 divided by 2. 2 fits into itself only once, so the answer to that is 1. On the right, over here, we have 9 divided by 3, which equals 3. 3 fits into 9 3 times. So we would put a 1 here on this side, because that's what this equals. And then we would put a 3 on this side of the equal sign, because that's what this equals. And does 1 equal 3? Question mark? No, that's false. So we know that 1 does not equal 3. So that means this sentence, this division sentence, is false. And that's how you do that problem. Not very difficult.